Alright, so in this video I'll be showing you how to actually start collecting payments. You can sell a product or just have a checkout page where a person can submit a payment. So it is actually very simple, and that's why you have the store functionality. And we will start with that actually, how to create our first product. You can go to products, and there this template has a few examples of products, but you can go and create your product. Basically, to sell something, you have to have a product that you're trying to sell. Doesn't matter what it is. So if it is a physical product, of course, create a physical, digital, services, membership. So pick what you want to sell. For this example, let's just sell a service. Just keep it simple. And whatever the service you want to sell, let's call it just service. And you can actually make it a subscription if you wish, or just one-time payment. And let's just put it at $10. And basically that's it. That's all you have to do. You can, see the other options that you have, but this is just as simple as that to create a product itself. That you have to assign some category to. You can create a new category or just add a pre-selected one and pre-created one, and just click on Save Changes. That's all you had to do to create your first product. Now, if you have a line of products, you can just add them one by one or import them. So you can see the products that you have, and you can start selling them now. Now, one way to sell them is by linking them to an e-commerce store. Basically, you have an e-commerce store, and basically to have a link in your header, for example, or maybe this button, we can make it shop now, for example. So they just actually do that. And we can change the link to the button to actually go to from here we can actually select the store. And that's it. You can go to a specific product or to all products. If you go to all products, that will actually go to the whole storefront of your store. So you can just click on select, and let's change to shop now. That's basically it. We just link this button to go to our store. And if we now go and preview our website and click on the button, that will go to the store, and people can actually start purchasing your product. Before that, of course, you have to connect a payment processor, but this is how simple it is to basically have products and people can start adding to cart and purchase. Well, if they add to cart, actually it will be necessary to add an add to cart here as well. A button here. For example, you can click on the plus and just add your cart to your header. That's it. Now you have the cart and people can check out. And this is it. This is how simple it is to actually have stored products. Now, what if you want to just have a checkout page where just people are directly paying for something? It's actually very simple, and you can do it by creating a checkout page, a custom one. Instead of using the add to cart and then go to checkout, etc., which is more steps. Now, if you just want to collect a payment, just want somebody to submit a payment for something, you can just create a page. And we have such designs which are very cool. Of course, you can create it again from scratch if you wish. But here are some really cool designs for checkout pages. And you can browse them and see what you like, but let's just select some simple one, like this one. And let's go with checkout. And add to our website. And we just created our page. We can delete this logo, it's not necessary. And we have our checkout, which comes with basically the checkout widget. It is a widget that you can add from here. It's here, the checkout widget, that you can add to your page, and you can start collecting payments from this widget. Now you can of course modify things about your checkout, such as, of course, the first thing that you have to do is select what product you will be selling. So for example, this service that we created for $10, you can just pre-select it here. And now this checkout will sell only this product. You can also add bump offers, for example, if you want to upsell something right before the checkout. But all these things actually we have in whole series for sales. And you can check out them from the button below. So don't worry, this is just a quick one to show you how simple it is to do checkouts and basically collect payments of any sort. And we just pre-selected the product. Now we can make the checkout very customizable with the fields. You can add extra fields if you wish by going to the settings, for example, and add customized fields. You can have a custom thank you page to which you will go to after somebody submits the payments. You can do all that. But let's just show it into one step so you can actually see how the whole checkout will look like, because you can adjust if you want it to be one or multiple steps. Now you can click on Save Changes, and that's your checkout page. Now if you want people to submit a payment for some kind of a product, service, whatever, you can just link them to that checkout page where they can submit their information. And of course you have to connect a payment processor to be able to process payments, and they can complete the order. That's it. That's how simple it is. And let's just, okay, yeah, we have the exit intent pop up as well. Now let's close it. Now, how to connect the payment method, which is of course last and essential step, is to go to the store, go to settings, and there you can connect a payment processor of your choosing. We have a great array of different payment processors, so if you like a payment processor, just connect it, add your keys, and you can start collecting payments. There is of course a ton of different functionalities such as shipping, taxes, checkouts, product discounts, but that we can discuss in the other section, which is all about store and different things that you can do with the store, different checkouts, memberships, subscriptions, and all that. But this is how simple it is to actually collect payments, to create a store, and to create custom checkouts. I hope that you enjoyed it.